White oak, Quercus alba, is a medicinal tree that is native to the eastern and central parts of North America, where it found its place in herbal medicine as an astringent, an anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, antioxidant, anti-diabetic, hepatoprotective, gastroprotective, and cytotoxic, helping with hemorrhoids, varicose veins, swollen gums, diarrhea, kidney, liver, and spleen restoration, dissolving kidney stones, gallstones. Its astringent action can help tone prolapsed organs, strengthen mucous membrane. It can be used topically for skin problems like fungal infections, ringworm, oily skin, and inflamed flaky scalps that is due to bacterial infections. The bark of the tree over here is the main part that is used in herbalism. The tree also could be used as a mouthwash for gingivitis, oral infections, oral sores, toothache, and can be used as a gargle for sore throats. So check the video description for more benefits. Peace.